Yo, what's up YouTube? It's KJ back on another with a video. I wanted to come on here to be testing, trying out this new cologne that I had bought. It's the Mesmerize Black. So yeah, it just came in the mail today. I just opened out the other pack and see it's still sealed and everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Yeah. So yeah, let's try it out. I got the purple bottle. I like the purple bottle because my grandma had it a while back when I was younger, and I tried it, and she wasn't using it no more. So I just started using it, and I liked it. So I had got another bottle, and I got the purple bottle, and I just bought this one. So let's go ahead and open. That's how it look. I don't know if y'all tried this before, but that's how it look. The gold top, gold words on it. So yeah, let's go ahead and smell it. Yeah, I know they had something that kind of like it's like a smooth, fruity, masculine smell to it. It kind of smelled like the purple one I got, like the purple bottle I got. Well, at least to me it do. Let me look at the ingredients. Oh yeah, they ain't got it. But yeah, it kind of remind me of the purple bottle I got. I want to try the green one. They got a green bottle that I seen they had on Avon, but I'm pretty sure I can find it online somewhere. Yeah, if any of y'all ever used this before and y'all liked it, or y'all got a different product that y'all want me to review, like buy a review, let me know down in the comment. Any fragrance, any product, anything, any women's perfume, anything like that. But this, I like this smell, and I really like stuff that lasts a long time, but it's not real, strong in the smell, good and stuff like that. So yeah, I get this a 10 out of 10 because it kind of remind me, like I said, it remind me of the purple bottle, and I like the purple bottle. So probably about 3 or 4 sprays of this on you after a shower or something like that, you should be straight. So yeah, it's the Mesmerize Black. Yeah, man. Like I said, if y'all tried this video, if y'all tried this phrase before, let me know down in the comments. If y'all want anything y'all want me to do a review on, leave it down in the comments, and I'm gonna get it, and I'm gonna do a review on it. So yeah, man. Mesmerize Black, I think y'all should get it. The men out there, I think y'all should get it. And yeah, so yeah, man. Thanks for watching. This KJ, and I'll see y'all next time.